So my package finally arrived today, and it's the AirTag, and we're gonna do an unboxing and see what we have in here. So it's such a big box for a small little item. Let's see, that's all that's in there. And this is it. It's such a big box. We're gonna look at a close-up. So let's just look at the back side. It was assembled, etc. There's some packages I saw online for reviews that it says 2019, but this actually says 2021. So yeah, so Apple was trying to release this a couple years ago, but it never happened until now. So let's open this out. As everyone knows, all Apple products, all their packaging is so simple, just pretty much a white box, and same for the AirTags, just this. You kind of open it, we have it in there. It's just a small little, I think it's almost the size of a quarter, and it's almost like a watch without the handle. So I'm just going to pull out the stickers real quick. So I'm going to show you this side. Let's take out the sticker real quick. Oh, it's nice and shiny. I think it does show your prints though when you touch it somewhere. So you're gonna hear that sound, the AirTag, that means it's ready. Right now the name AirTags comes with the backpack, headphones, jacket, keys, luggage, wallet. I'm gonna put a custom name though for this one. Let's just enable that. It's gonna be, let's see, put my car in, and my car's name is Adele. And I just put car in parentheses. We can continue, pick an emoji. Let's look for car. They don't have a white one. It's a white car. I'm just gonna pick this one for now. We picked that blue car. Yeah. And you're just gonna register it. It's gonna set up. Wait for it to set up there. Precision, and I put, let's click done, telling me where I'm located. So we're going to talk about the battery. It's actually not that expensive to get a replacement. You can buy it for like a couple bucks on Amazon. I did see one on Target too for like 2 packs, so it's not too bad. And we're going to try to open it right now. So you're just going to press the lower and bottom part of this and twist it counterclockwise, and that would have like a popping sound. There you go. That will just open. That will reveal that we're using a Panasonic 3-volt battery. And then to put it back on, you're just going to go the opposite direction, so it's going to be clockwise. So you're just going to twist it and then pop it in. And this is actually water resistant, so you can splash water, maybe like drop it in water, and it's totally fine. But it's a good little replacement battery. Should be good for a year. Alright, so of course the accessories for this didn't arrive at the same time, so I'm gonna have to use it without one right at the moment. You can actually buy some on Amazon or Apple. They do have some that are pricier than others. I did see one that was $12.95. That was a third-party accessory for this, like a keychain. And there's also the more expensive one, like the Hermes one is like a couple $100, which doesn't make sense to be buying if the device itself is way less than the actual price of the accessory. So you can pick those up online, and depending on style you like. So now we're gonna go to Find My App and actually look for the device. I'm gonna look for it right now. We're gonna play the sound first, so you can know where it's going. And as you get closer to it, like I'm a feet away, as you get closer and closer, it's closer, and it'll tell you if it's here. So it's very precise. And that's about it. So if you wanted to pick this up, you can buy it online on Apple, and hopefully this review or unboxing helps you in deciding, because I wasn't too sure in the beginning. It is fairly cheap for the device, and it's very precise. And just to let you know, when you think you can track a human, no, it's a privacy thing. So it will alert the person that you're trying to track, so don't do it. But hopefully you like this vlog and you like, subscribe, and continue to watch contents. Alright, have a good day. Bye.